to my channel. I recently signed up for Rent The Runway. Order came in, which I'm really excited about. So this is a clothing subscription service. You can rent clothes, wear them, and then return them and swap them out for new clothes. I have the plan where it's 2 shipments a month. Each shipment you get to pick out 4 items. And this is a really fun way because you get to try out a bunch of new clothes without the commitment of spending all of the money that they would actually cost. So this is the first one. It has like this little roost waist, which I think is really cute. Okay, this is the second thing I got. This is a cropped brown blouse. I've always liked the color brown in clothes, especially brown has been huge this fall and winter. Ooh, oh my god, this is so much cuter than I thought it was gonna be. You know how like when you see things online and then you get them and they're just not what they look like in the picture? This is literally the opposite. So this is a black dress. Feels like really good quality. I love the cutout in the center of the dress. They have so many designers to choose from. What I also really like about it is they have bags and accessories too, so you don't just have to get clothes. Last time I got a Stod bucket bag. This is the 4th thing I got, and it's just a comfy beige sweater. It's like a mix of stylish and cozy comfy. And then I also got the Nuuly clothing rental subscription service. Look how neatly folded they are. It's this really pretty burgundy leather dress. This outfit would look really cute with boots. For the Nuuly subscription, you get 6 items per month, and at the end of the month, you send them back, and then you get to pick out 6 new items for the next month. The best part of this all is the fact that you don't have to wash, and you just send them back. Company takes care of all the dry cleaning and washing. Okay, these I'm obsessed with. I have brown leather pants, but I don't have black. They have like these pockets. They're almost like cargo pants. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing these every day. Long sleeve blouse, and it's a little bit cropped too, and I love that it has this ruching detail. I love a simple shirt that has pretty details. That really makes things feel more special even though the overall color is simple. This is a sweater, but it only has 4 buttons, which I like. I've been wanting to try one of these styles. Okay, this I love. I don't have anything like this, so I wanted to get it. It's pretty see-through, and I think it'll look really cute with those leather pants that I got. You could dress it up, or you could dress it with jeans. Honestly, like you could style this in so many different ways. Gray blazer. It's like that really soft sweatery material. I also just noticed that this still has the tag on it, which is pretty cool because that means I'm the first one who's gonna be wearing it. This says it retails for $148. I was able to get 6 items in my subscription. I would say Nuuly feels a little bit younger, and then Rent The Runway feels a little more sophisticated. They honestly both have really cute things. You can find anything from like dressy clothes to casual clothes, like sweaters. You can find active wear, and it's really easy because all you have to do is just swap out the label and then you can return them. I'm definitely going to be making like a lot of TikToks and reels and shorts with all these clothes, so if you want to follow me on those, definitely do that, and you can see all the outfits I put together. This is my first time using Nuuly, so I'll let you guys know how I like it, but Rent The Runway I really love so far. So it's a couple days later. My best friend and her husband just bought a home, and I'm so happy for them. So I wanted to get them a little housewarming gift. Then I have to go wrap it and drop it off at FedEx. I got this cute little basket because everyone needs one of these. You can't go wrong. It'll be very useful. She's like kind of like me. She likes like the neutral aesthetic. She loves like blacks, beige, whites for her home decor. So I thought these like black and cream striped dish towels would be really cute for her house. Her favorite candle scent is white tea, so I figured she probably already has a white tea candle, so I got her this ginger black tea candle, and I feel like she'll really like the vessel that it's in too because it's black and gold. It's a coconut soy wax blend, so it's healthier than the paraffin wax. And then I got this little card, which I'm gonna write in. It has this little moose on it. I just thought it was cute. And it says warmest wishes. Look at his little earmuffs. I used to live in New York City, so all my friends are there. And my family also lives in New York as well. So to go in this gift, I saw this TikTok. I can't remember where I saw it or whose page it was. They took a green sponge and they cut it into a tree. It would be really cute to put in this gift basket. The only problem is my sponge is wavy. And this is the only new one that I have. I don't know if it's gonna turn out well, but we're gonna try our best. I'm gonna try to like draw a tree and see if it turns out good. Okay, this is the tree. I drew it with a Sharpie. It came out a little bit crooked, but I kind of had to draw it crooked because the sponge is the wavy one. So I'm gonna cut it and see how it looks. It actually looks pretty cute, not gonna lie. I'm gonna write something in this card now and then I'll show you guys the whole finished gift. So this is the finished gift. I feel like it's cute. I think they'll like it. So since I'm in California and they're in New York, I need to figure out how to pack this so I can mail it out. So it fit perfectly in this Amazon box, so all set to ship. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.